We are in Ząbki, in a veterinary surgery of Dr. Andrzej Krajewski, who is a specialist in exotic animals treatment. How to safely transport a sick parrot to the vet? A sick parrot can be transported, but we must run on all cylinders. The best way is to use paradoxically a slight cardboard box as our parrot fits in with its tail stretched out. Travel is stressful to a parrot, and a tiny box prevents it milling around and knocking against the wall, what might harm it. A sick parrot doesn't move about much, so it doesn't need a big space.
Zrobić sobie jakiejś krzywdy. Natomiast chora mniej się rusza, nie ma potrzeby transportowania jej w dużym pudle.
There is no necessity to supply the parrot with water or to line the bottom of the box with flooring. Empty box is enough.
Tylko samo pudło, bez nawet żadnego podłoża.
A parrot should not be transported in a cage, neither in one which it lives in daily, nor in any smaller one. A parrot is stressed during the trip by car, and it may bump against cage bars or may fall down from a perch and get injured.
Może się poobijać, spaść z żertki, zrobić sobie krzywdę, nawet o pręty klatki. W związku z tym najlepszym
So, the best transporter is a specialist transportation box purchased in a pet shop, or a usual cardboard box in which we cut out ventilation openings.
powietrze wentylacyjnymi.